Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install golang 1.20, that is Go programming language 1.20 on AlmaLinux 8 operating system from zip archive file. Okay. So basically AlmaLinux 8 distribution contains Go, but I am going to install the latest version of Go, which is not in the DVD. Okay. So golang 1.20. Okay, so here you can see that I already downloaded Go 1.20 as a tar.gzip file for Linux operating system. So I am going to extract the content. Okay, let me extract the content. Yes, so content extract successfully to /opt directory. So this is the directory structure of Go 1.20. Okay, Go 1.20. Okay, let me rename. Okay, let me rename the directory to Go 1.20 because I may install many version of the Go parallelly. Okay, so I am renaming for my convenience. Okay. Next step, what I am going to do, I am going to configure the bash profile. Okay, bash profile, so that Go programming language Go 1.20 will be available to the current user in the terminal. Okay, so /opt/go 1.20/bin. So I'm adding this path to the Linux path variable in bash profile. Okay, let me go to terminal, source bash profile. So this command will load the latest profile settings. Okay, no need to log off or restart, simply run the source bash profile. Now you can see that I can able to execute the Go 1.20 command. Okay, Go version is showing Go 1.20. Okay, now let me run this sample program. Okay, this is the sample program I'm already having. Go run welcome.go. Yes, I can able to execute the sample program, that is Go 1.20 installation is successful for a single user. Okay, so let me show you one thing. So there are multiple users, that is multiple users in my machine. See here, there is another user called Ramanathan is there, but Ramanathan is unable to execute the golang. Why? Because it's not configured for all the users, it's only configured for the current user called Oracle. Okay, what I am doing, I am delete the bash profile settings of the current user. Now what I am going to do, I am going to install or make it Go 1.20 globally available to all the users in the machine. Okay, so I open the terminal, switch as a root user, cd/etc/profile.d. Okay, so here you can see many shell scripts are there. I am going to create one shell script called golang.sh. Okay, so here I am creating one path variable and appending the Go 1.20 bin directory to the path variable. So this path variable will be globally available to the all the users, which means that Go programming language 1.20 golang 1.20 will be available to the all the users in this machine. Okay, so I close the terminal. I am logging off current user. Okay, I am logging off the current user called Oracle and login as a user called Ramanathan. So now open the terminal, Go version. Yes, I can able to run the Go command now. Okay, Go 1.20 command. Let me run the sample program also. Go run welcome.go. Yes, I can able to execute the sample program as another user also. Okay, so finally Go 1.20 or golang 1.20 is available to the all the users in the machine. Okay, let me confirm once again for the user called Oracle. Go version, that's it. Yes, successful. So Golang 1.20 installation on AlmaLinux 8 operating system from zip file, from zip archive is successful.